Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer Avalanche, AVAX, from your Arculus Wallet to Gemini in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or just looking to move your assets securely, this step-by-step tutorial will have you sorted in no time. Avalanche is a fast and eco-friendly blockchain, and transferring it between wallets is easier than you might think. So, let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both the Arculus Wallet app and a Gemini account set up. Open your Arculus Wallet on your device and navigate to the Avalanche asset. You'll see your AVAX balance there. Double-check that you have enough to cover any network fees. Next, head over to your Gemini account. Log in, go to the deposit section, and select Avalanche, AVAX. Gemini will provide you with a unique deposit address. Copy this carefully, as it's crucial for the transfer. Now, switch back to your Arculus Wallet. Select the Send or Transfer option for your AVAX holdings. In the Arculus interface, paste the Gemini deposit address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of AVAX you want to transfer, and don't forget to review the transaction details, including fees. Once everything looks good, confirm the transaction with your wallet's security features, like biometric authentication or PIN. After initiating the transfer, you'll need to wait for the blockchain to confirm it. This usually takes a few minutes for Avalanche transactions. Once it's done, check your Gemini account to see your AVAX balance update. And that's it, you've successfully transferred your assets. A quick word of caution. Always double-check addresses to avoid losses, and never share your private keys. If you run into any issues, reach out to Arculus or Gemini support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.